Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to fix the Xbox PC app Try Again Later install error. First, check your Windows time and region settings. Open Windows settings and go to Time and Language. Select Date and Time, then make sure Set Time Automatically and Set Time Zone Automatically are both enabled. Click Sync now to update your system time. Next, open Language and Region and verify that the correct country or region is selected. Incorrect settings here can prevent the Xbox app from connecting properly to Microsoft servers. If the issue continues, use the Gaming Services Repair tool. Download the tool from the official Xbox support website and run the downloaded file. Once it's done, restart your computer and try installing the game again through the Xbox app. If you're still getting the error, clear the Microsoft Store cache. Press Windows key and type WS Reset and press Enter. A black window will appear briefly and then close automatically. Microsoft Store will open when the process is finished. This clears corrupted cache files that can cause installation problems. After completing these steps, open the Xbox app and try installing your game or app again. Thanks for watching.